Hello everyone, welcome back to Relax Your Dog. In this article, we are going to discuss about the top 10 most friendly dog breeds in the world. Dogs are the most friendly, loving and incommunicable living creature. Owning a dog as a pet gives immense pleasure. Dogs are the best pets that shower us with their unconditional love. Dogs are named for their infinite loyalty, faithful, and its friendliness. People who love dogs are called cynophilists. Dogs are better companion than one who owns. Most dogs are owned as a pet for security and a good companionship. But all dogs are not friendly at all the time. Its behavior is unpredictable. So this video let explain you some of the most friendly dog breeds in the world. Choose your incommunicative companion from the best friendly dog breeds in the world. Here I lead the top 10 friendly dogs in the world in 2020. So on number 1 is the Cavalier King Charles Spaniel. These small, cute and sweet nature dogs are perfect pets for the families. They are most adorable with its silky and feathered ears. These dogs have the most attractive appearance with adapting nature that is perfectly suitable for kids and ladies to cuddle with. These dogs are most playful and a good follower. It follows you everywhere wherever you go. This dog breed easily adapt themselves with the member of the family. It maintains calm with the aged ones and turns into an active player when playing with an active child. With its minion height, it grabs the attention of the owner by its unstoppable mischiefs. Cavalier dogs never prefer to be alone. They get along with the cats and birds. This dog loves to sit on the lap, which is perfect for its height. These dogs are the most frisky pets that can be owned. On number 2 is the Pembroke Welsh Corgis. These short dogs are most worthy to own as a pet. This type of dogs have a saddle-shaped back which attracts the human more. These dogs are of height 10 to 12 inches that are the most playful. These are the wonderful companion with large ears and a stubby tails. These are the most attractive, brisk and kind friendly. Hair brushing should have properly cared for these breeds. These dogs are most intelligent with a low tendency to bark. It can be owned for the most playful companion. These dogs are most affectionate with their owners and strangers. On number 3 is Beagle. It is one of the most adorable dog breeds to be owned. Beagle is known for its extreme energy and active playing with friends. It mesmerizes the owners with its cute and charming eyes and expressions. Apart from being popular hunter breeds, these dogs are mostly preferred to be loyal companions. This breed are more suitable for guardship and companionship. This breed not require much effort to groom them. This dog breed is mostly attention seeker who follow our footsteps and grabs the attention with its cute tortures. These breeds are most preferred to be the pet dogs. On number 4 is the Beacon Frise. This breed have an extremely attractive appearance. These dogs are the most sensitive and attractive, loyal and gentle. These breeds are the dogs with white fluffy hair, small appearances, black nose and well-plumed tails. These dogs are an extreme lover of playing with their owner. If you leave them alone for a long period, then it becomes sad. This dog possesses a habit of a separation anxiety which get aggressive when you leave them alone over a period. They bark continuously to seek the attention of their owners. They never shed their hair. These dogs are adorable for their fluffy and messy hair. These are the hair these are the perfect pet with high energy and highly adaptive to the training given by their owners. Their small and immense energy gives pleasure to their owner. If you are residing in the apartment, then Frise is the best pet for you. On number 5 is Shih Tzu. Shih Tzu is the best little companion for human. This type are the most friendly dogs with cute and adorable appearances. These are the toy breeds that are considered as the prince among these dogs. These dogs are more mischievous and active player. It seeks to be loved by its owner. These dogs fill you with their extreme love, its affection and friendliness to the kid, aged ones and other pets tend to be infinity. This is the sweetest dog among the toy breeds. These are not suitable for guards and hunting. It is extremely grown for the companionship. They become extremely happy when you take them out. This little companion shows more affection and obedience to their owner. These dogs are leg of prey drive that is more suitable for apartment residents. They are loyal and mischievous companions, once trained with their owners. On number 6 is Havanese. These family-suited dogs are the good admirer with its long and fluffy hairs. These breeds are mostly called companion dogs. It tempts their owner with their small size and expressive eyes. These dogs are perfect cuddling partners. Havanese dogs stick closely to their owners. These charmers are pampered lap dogs which are gentle and most loyal companion. Havanese are the lovers of active and playful kids. They became the perfect playmates for the kids. They are obedient and watchful for their owners. These dogs are the love seeker that spellbinds their owners to be most attractive. These dogs have the most welcoming responses from the people to own them as their pets. On number 7 is Labrador Retriever. It is the most popular dog breeds which are most human are fond of owning them. These types are generally guarding dogs but turn into a companion because of its friendly nature. These dogs are most suitable for security purposes. The intelligent, human-friendly, and sensitive nature dogs are perfectly fit for any dog lovers. They are at the top of the world's friendly dog breeds. These are the dogs with incomparable energy level and good player. The smartness of these dogs makes their owner to be more affectionate with them. It becomes the perfect family member with high intelligence. On number 8 is Pug. Pug is the smallest dog breed with a distinctive appearances. With its wrinkled and short faces, it grabs the love of their owners. This breed is perfect for the companionship. The developed muscles and curled tails adds extra feature to this little and adorable dog. This charming creature plays with the kids and aged ones. Because of its tiny size, they turn to be cuddling pillows. This dog breed scores the highest rank in the friendliness with other pets, kids, and the elder ones. These dogs are wise, affectionate, and mischievous. They are also willing to play with the active kids. The tiny size and wrinkled mouth attracts the owner to sink in the love with them. On number 9 is Poodle. This kind of breeds are good at jumping and friendly to humans. These dogs are moderate in barking and digging. It attracts the human with their curly hair. The grooming needs more efforts because of their dense curly hairs. They are notorious for their intelligence. They are fear of the strangers. These dog breeds can be maintained easily and needs less effort in maintaining them. They are good at companionship. They can play the role of good companions to their owners. The small size, fluffy and curly hair make them to be more cute and attractive towards their owners. On number 10 is Golden Retriever. These dogs are more friendly to humans and highly intelligent. They are easily adaptable to the training given by their owners. They are loyal, fair and highly protective dogs. It tolerates being alone in the house, so it never needs to carry them wherever you go. They are more affectionate with the family members. This dog breed easily sets into the other pets and the kids. They get along with strangers. They are mostly guarding dogs that turn into more protective. This type of dogs have well popular among dog lovers. If you are fond of dogs with high intelligence, then Golden Retriever becomes your good companion. Dogs are best companion that can maintain a loyal relationship with their owner. Being friendly and protective to the owners, dogs steals the heart of their owner. Their unconditional love sinks us in the immense happiness. Being careful in choosing the dog that suits our residents and characters are the most considerable one. Being a cynophilist, the human never needs to choose the better companions for them. Choose the wise, intelligent, protective, and active companion for you and your family, and this incommunicative and the adorable member to your family. So folks, we have come to the end of this video. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Till then, subscribe and turn on notification so you don't miss any other video of our channel Relax Your Dog. Take care.